Good morning, and we are here coming to you from FrenchLick, the train stop right there. But we are about to head onto this train. But before we do that, I thought I'd do a quick video, kind of a preview video. We're at the FrenchLick resort area, and they have a bunch of trains here, and beautiful, beautiful, beautiful shots of them. So I thought I'd do a quick little walkthrough of the trains. I believe that's the engine that we will be going on. Now, be sure to put in the comments, because I do not know. I know about trains, how they work and everything, but this is the second train, so I don't know if this is an important second engine or to add more power, or what would the second train be for? You let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to get the Hoosier line right here. This is a train from the Monroe Rail Hoosier line. Looks like they're getting everything ready and set up. That's kind of cool. I'm not sure. Wow, that's pretty cool. Do not know what it's for. I thought I'd do a quick walk of the outside. But I believe these are what they use for the Polar Express as well. We are also outside the depot right here. Men's restroom over here, women's on the other side. Now, these trains are really nice. And the ones I'm going to show also, which I thought were really interesting, I believe they're trying to restore as well. Northern Pacific train car. I think this is the one we're going to be in. We're in a dome car. And I think if I recall, we are going to be in this corner right over here. But if anyone has any comments or thoughts, let me know in the comments below, because I know about trains, but I don't know a lot about them, like why there are two engines in the front, so on and so forth. What in the world this train car is? It's got to be a double-decker, but so this is on a Saturday. I believe they do it every weekend. So if you go to the FrenchLick website, you can go and see what times are available, and you can pick your seats in the car. I believe this one has a chocolate themed car this week as well, like a tasting of chocolate. I saw there was a list on there for bourbon as well. There's also a train down there, so I might do a separate video for that, because I think this will be a lot of time. But this is the ones I think that they're trying to restore, these guys right over here. Man. Oops. I have a gimbal. I'm trying to pull back and it's thinking I want to go lower. That's here. Let me go on this side. across the other side of that way I get a better shot of the train. But this is the FrenchLick ScenicRailway cars. Now, FrenchLick was at one point one of the, I guess it would be the 7 wonders or 8 wonders of the world. People from all over the world would come here to see these trains, or not the trains, for the special healing water. And you'll see a couple cars with some great images on them up here shortly. Be sure to like and subscribe if you can. We're trying to grow this channel. But these are just, I'm assuming, passenger cars. I'm pretty certain. What's interesting is there's a couple cars up ahead. Now they also do in the wintertime, they have a Polar Express. And I'm hoping to film that as well in the next couple months. So I'm not sure if these are extra cars or they're restoring them. But I think part of the proceeds of this goes to helping fix up these trains, which is really, really nice. So not today, if you're seeing this video right after I upload it, but I'm going to try to put a link at the bottom if people want more information on the trains and where to donate. Now this is the one I want to know about, if anyone has any. It almost looks like a caboose. It almost looks like someone put a house on there and just called it a day, almost. A little mini shack. I think it looks like a caboose, but what is this? It's about the 7-minute mark, so I gotta remember to put that down. So let me know in the comments below. I think this is a caboose. I don't think it's open to the public, so I don't want to hop up there and see this island window sticking out. And is that normal? Because I have not seen anything, at least to my knowledge, like this. Do not climb, so no. Let me see if I can get it. Sure looks like a caboose, I think. But this is the one. I'm gonna pause this and go back. Now this train right here is just beautifully well done. You can tell they just did this. Pluto Water, American Psyche, FrenchLick Spring Hotel, FrenchLick, Indiana. This part was known for the healing water, and people would come here from all over the world to try to get cured from this water. Southern 10 18-9. It's just such a beautiful train. So we're gonna have a few videos from this and as well from FrenchLick. So be sure to subscribe, like, share. But wow. That is cool, the coal car. So this is a steam engine. Oh, that's so cool. I wonder if they have to get these going. I'm gonna have to find out. I've always wanted to ride in the back of a steam engine. But this is really exciting. I'm looking forward to today. Never been in this area. It's a beautiful part of Indiana. So this is also, once again, FrenchLick, Indiana. And this is the FrenchLick Depot. So, yeah. Now the train today leaves at 1 o'clock, so it'll be, we have people starting to file in already. But this is a little depot they have. So, and that's the end of this. Here's a little bit. Welcome to FrenchLick Scenic Railway. So if you go to that website, FrenchLick.ScenicRailway.org, I'll have more information. I'll put a link also at the bottom of this video. If not today, I will tomorrow. This is one of the bourbon tastings coming up. So they've got one in September 20th. They're hiring for the Polar Express here. Yeah, that's it. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, share with your friends. Thank you so much, and see you guys at the next video.